Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master the journey, and in this video today, you can see it, man. 3 brutal truths, man. I'm just gonna fucking give it to you straight. No FAP, death traps. Ugly truths of no FAP that you probably have not heard of. And if you are in one of these death traps, listen up, man, because this will get you through. This will get you through the hard times. Because look, dude, we all start off somewhere. I had huge problems with porn addiction. Getting through that phase was not easy. This is stuff that I wish somebody would have just sat me down and told me. I would have gotten through so much of my stress and my just bullshit with so much more ease. So listen up, man. I sincerely hope you stay till the end of this video. Don't be flipping around. Stick with me. Stay present. Learn something. You're going to be able to walk away from this video with much more value and knowledge that will help you on your journey. Real quick, before we begin, pre-order for my Sacral Chakra Masterclass is in the description. It is the next step to your retention journey, to your no-FAP journey. This is the other half of retention that nobody talks about or dives into, man. If you're just practicing retention, that's the physical side of it. That's good. You should be doing this. It helps. But it's half of the story. The metaphysical side. Your 7 chakras, your sacral chakra, which is about right here, behind your belly button, in your pelvis, is the source of the energy that you're actually cultivating. Learn how to use it, man. Check out the link in the description. Comment down below if you want me to cover any other topics having to do with sacral chakra, meditation. Workshops are in the works. Don't underestimate the power of meditation, ever. It is insane, absolutely insane. Back to the topic at hand. Number 1, man, I wish somebody would have told me this when I was younger and just said, look, man, you are not making progress because you are happy. You're absolutely happy being stuck. Happy stuck. You don't care. You love it that you're in the mode of reprogramming. It becomes an addiction to your addiction. Do you see what I'm saying? I've seen so many guys do this, and I see this a lot being in the fitness business for quite a long time, a couple years ago. People are so addicted and they're just happy with the fact that they overeat, that they binge, that they're getting fat, they don't fucking care. You become so proud of it. People get so addicted and so proud of their fails. And this is a big fail, man. Don't get happy being stuck. Don't stay in that realm of just this cycle of chaos to where you cannot go above and beyond it. And this right here, man, leads me into number 2, is you've never conquered an addiction before, okay? You have never conquered. Now, this is so important. When you're younger, we all start somewhere, man. Don't think that anybody else is different. Somebody that is miles ahead of you started where you are, maybe even worse. Don't go down that road. Be honest with yourself, then you can make progress. Through meditation, this helps greatly with this. And say to yourself, this is my first rodeo. I need more information on conquering addictions. Not how do I, stop watching porn? How do I do no FAP? What is no FAP? How do I do this? Okay. Don't do that shit. That's like a cigarette smoker going straight to, how do I prevent cancer? Well, you stop fucking smoking. Do you see how that correlates? Be honest with yourself. You are in the process of conquering an addiction and you've never done this before. Go forth and conquer in the way that is more beneficial to you on your path. The longer you go without stepping away from that bullshit and being honest with yourself, you fall into the trap of being unwilling to live a better life. A better, fruitful life. I just made another video about this. Talking about how you should live life, man. Find out what you enjoy and do things you enjoy. Now, don't take that the wrong way. That doesn't mean if you enjoy watching porn and masturbating to do that all the time, because I think we all know by now, if you're watching a video about curing no FAP, it's bad. It's the wrong path. Now, what I mean by this is that men who are curing themselves from an addiction, they get almost contempt with death. I've seen this with past friends. I've had friends who went deep with drugs, man. Super deep. I've had friends die from drugs. Very close friends of mine. The reason why this happened is because they were content with death. They allowed their addiction to overcome their will to live. Even when they got clean, I've known junkies, I've known heroin addicts, cocaine addicts, alcoholics, you name it. I used to hang around with people who were just freaking whack. And this is the problem. As I grew up and improved myself, I learned what their problem was because I witnessed it and I wanted to know, why did they do this? Because things hurt, man. You go through stuff and trauma happens, and when you get past the fact that trauma is there, you heal yourself by doing shadow work. I've done tons of shadow work. This is where you can actually analyze an experience and take pieces from it that will elevate you on your journey. This is the key. In any sort of addiction, in any process of curing an addiction, don't find comfort in the act alone, because that will hold you back. Learn to find comfort in the uneasiness of the future, of the unknown that is in front of you. Look, one of the greatest pieces of advice that I've ever been given that blew my mind, and I hope this registers in an immense level. The unknown, that is what you fear, is just the unknown. It is nothing. There's nothing there. The things in the unknown that you fear, you are placing those fears there. You are projecting the energy into the unknown. And you're fooling yourself because you know damn well what scares you the most. And that's what you put in the unknown. But you have to realize the unknown is just that. It's nothing. It's nothing. It literally is what you make it. That blew my mind. That took me to another realm of thinking about my life, my existence, what I can do. Everything you think will become a reality. The thoughts that you think every day and the way you act will become your reality. Put those thoughts to better use. I know you can do it, because if I can do it, and many other people that I've helped who are in way worse of positions than probably you, they were able to get through immense, wicked, harsh trauma and make their lives exceptional. Thank you for watching, man. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn how to meditate. If you want to pre-order the Sacral Chakra course, it's only up until Black Friday. That's the last time, and I'm absolutely taking it away, and the price will jump back up to its normal price. Thank you for watching, man. I'll see you in the next one.